morning. I am Banana News anchor. Well, Hurricane Katrina has weakened to the Category 1 storm this Monday after unleashing major flooding and devastation on the U.S. Gulf Coast. Now we will return to our correspondent team.
With each our new community of extension, following this respect past the long-time reason, Katrina is third condemned with tourism to United States from Navajo.
Okay, thanks, team. Well, we will return to our sport anchor, Oli.
Hello everyone, I'm Police Sport Anchor. Jeremy Lin swept the globe recently, and he clapped with his teammate before the game. Today we talk about how to play Jeremy Lin's secret handshake. Before techniques in basketball games, could you saw Jeremy Lin has and his match teammate Edison Fitz that they did some handshake? You can see what they do the action that really some mysterious and sad lines on the screen now. Everybody said that very cool and secret because they saw what a basketball player did this ceremony ever. And Time magazine dismantling this handshake gesture to teach everyone incidentally. But Jeremy Lin, in order to solve a fans' question, is shooting a short film and upload to the internet today. He wants to share the 7 steps of secret handshake to fans by himself. It's really funny.
Hi, I'm Jeremy. It's Edison Field. Many people begin to discuss our secret handshake. So take to do again. Are you ready?
Okay, step 1. Right and left high five. And step 2. Put on the glasses sign of the Stanford and the Hartford. Most of the cycle we go to the book.
Everyone is asking what book we reading.
It's actually the Bible. Sign our flag.
So I will read 3 pages. Alright. I come press reading.
College and take off glasses and put the shirt and point the gun.
Next, I touch his button. He will also touch me.
So let's ready. We are.
Also show that's our friendship.
Okay.
So secret handshake is not secret.